Hi, my name is Carolina Salazar Aguirre. My first job. I count the company's money and I register numbers. I register operation economic and I control all the system about the counting. I administer the financial resources, but I don't repair things. I can organize numbers, but I don't care people. I can administer a company, but I can make decisions in the company. The second job. I install cables, or I install electronic devices. I design, but I don't design the houses. I install electronic equipments, but I don't know install furniture. I take charge of the heating and I repair the light. I determine electronic failures, but I don't repair houses. Who am I?